Today, we're diving into something that we all wonder about from time to time. How likable are we? Sometimes, we underestimate our own charm, so I'm here to shed some light on 10 signs that suggest you're even more likable than you might think. Stick around until the end for some surprising insights. Point number 1. People always seem to remember you. One of the surefire signs that you're more likable than you realize is when people remember you long after your initial encounter. Whether it's at a party, a networking event, or even just running errands, if people remember you and the conversations you've had, it's a clear indicator that you've made a positive impression. Point number 2, you're often invited to social gatherings. If you find yourself receiving frequent invitations to social gatherings, parties, or events, congratulations, you're likely more likable than you think. People enjoy your company and want you to be a part of their experiences, which speaks volumes about the impression you leave on others. Point number 3, you're a good listener. Being likable isn't just about being charming or outgoing, it's also about being a good listener. If you find that people often confide in you or seek your advice, it's a sign that they value your presence and trust your judgment. So, keep lending that empathetic ear. Point number 4, you're approachable. Do people feel comfortable approaching you, even if they don't know you well? If so, it's likely because you exude an approachable vibe. Whether it's your warm smile, friendly demeanor, or open body language, being approachable makes it easy for others to connect with you. Point number 5, you receive genuine compliments. When was the last time someone gave you a genuine compliment? If it happens frequently, it's a sign that people admire and appreciate you. Whether it's your sense of humor, your kindness, or your talents, accept those compliments graciously. They're a testament to your likability. Point number 6, you're often asked for your opinion. Have you noticed that people frequently seek out your opinion on various matters? Whether it's about choosing an outfit, making a decision, or simply discussing a topic, if people value your perspective, it's because they respect and trust your judgment. Point number 7, you're surrounded by positive energy. Pay attention to the energy around you. If you often find yourself surrounded by positivity, whether it's laughter, smiles, or words of encouragement, it's a reflection of the positive impact you have on those around you. Keep spreading those good vibes. Point number 8, you're memorable. Do people remember details about you, such as your hobbies, interests, or even your favorite movie? If so, it's because you've made a lasting impression on them. Your authenticity shines through, making you memorable in the best possible way. Point number 9, you're often asked for help. Whether it's lending a helping hand with a project, offering support during tough times, or simply being there when someone needs a friend, if people frequently turn to you for help, it's because they trust and value your assistance. Point number 10, you make others feel good about themselves. Finally, one of the most telling signs of likability is your ability to make others feel good about themselves. Whether it's through a genuine compliment, a kind gesture, or simply listening without judgment, if you leave people feeling uplifted after interacting with you, you're definitely more likable than you realize. And there you have it, 10 signs that suggest you're more likable than you might think. Remember, likability isn't about being perfect, it's about being genuine, kind, and empathetic. So, embrace your unique qualities, keep spreading positivity, and watch as your likability continues to shine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay awesome.